Alright, so this is me actually not editing. I made a decision to stop scripting my videos. I have videos I've scripted, videos I made, but those videos, I don't know. I don't know if I should post them, why I should edit them, why I should, I don't know. But I just want to make videos and, reach out to more people, reach out to more souls or more lives. Keep posting. And I actually have this, I had a target to make a video every single day from the beginning of July this month to October 13th, right? I don't know how many of us are actually doing that, but I made a goal. I had a target to create videos every single day. And that's something I'm not able to do right now because creating videos actually makes sense. No, not videos that make sense. Videos, I can create videos that make sense. It's easy for anyone to create a video that makes sense, given how that the message should be relevant. But to create a video that actually resonates deeply with you and to you, it needs to have a lot of editing to it. It needs to have things that hook on your attention, things that retain you, things that they feed off your attention. And if they're not created in that light, you don't get to watch them till the very end. I also observed that creators who incorporate a lot of editing things or editing tools, editing tricks and tips in their videos, they are the ones that get millions and millions of subscribers. But the goal is not to get more subscribers. The goal is to reach out to someone out there. The goal is to make sure that you get a message, something that you don't easily forget. I've watched lots of videos, lots of beautiful videos, powerfully edited for the sole aim of getting views. But I really can't remember anyone right now. I know I've watched a lot of them, but I can't remember anyone in particular. I can't remember the details. I can't remember the message from any of those videos. They were beautifully created, beautifully edited videos, but thinking about it right now, I don't have any idea which video I've watched, I don't want to mention any creator, but the point is, editing takes a lot of time. And I'm someone who's actually, I just started learning to code and it's taking a lot of my coding time. I also practice typing. I'm also learning to type. I'm also learning to do lots of other things. But sitting down to edit my videos, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot when I have to cut, when I have to script, when I have to insert the text, because I don't really use a lot of bureaus, so I just use text. And that's just it. But right now I'm making a decision to switch, to not do all of those fancy editing, I actually know exactly how to edit videos very well. I'm good to a very okay, not to a very high standard. I wouldn't refer to myself as a professional video editor yet, but it's something that I know how to do on a base level, and I'm seeing how I can double down on content creation, on making more videos, spending more time on actually posting than on editing. And if that's something that you're also struggling with, my advice is for you to let your personality shine through your videos. It's not going to be an easy task because you want to be just someone else's highlight reel. You want to be a photocopy of some other person. I always talk about Ali Abdal because he's my major inspiration. He's someone I look up to when it comes to content creation on YouTube. Not any other person, not any other creator, but Ali Abdal. I hope I've not messed up the name. Ali Abdal. Yes. So he's good. And the thing is, when you spend more time creating or editing videos, there's a setback to it. There's a backside to all of these things, all of these editing tricks that people don't really get the message. They only get to see transitions, they only get to see how good you are with editing, they only get to see the bureaus, to complement the editing tricks. But the message is something that they don't exactly get. And that's something that they really need. Take for example, this channel is actually about productivity, mindset. It's not yet figured out yet, but it's productivity mindset. So if I start incorporating lots and lots of B-rolls into my videos, it's going to distract my audience. You will not get the message I'm trying to pass across. Even if you get it, you will not get 100% of it. A lot of your attention will be carried away in middle of the video while you're watching the video. So it's not something that I think I can find very fanciful in this content creation race. And I really, really hope that you understand how, if you're a content creator, you understand this. I know I'm not the only one that this happens to, or that this is happening to. I had so much passion, I had so much zeal. I was very sure, very confident that I would create videos every single day. And I did not think about the editing part of it. I just thought about the recording part and the scripting part and how I would read my script and, try to quote my script with my personality, but that doesn't actually work. This works better for me. Talking to you right now works better to me, or for me, and it's something that I enjoy doing the most, talking and talking and talking and talking for, of course, not for hours, for a lot of time. Even when I script my videos, I don't really enjoy cutting. I cut my videos. I have over 100 clips on most of my videos, over 100 clips, which means I have to cut over 100 times, sometimes over 150, 200 clips on a single video, because every 5 seconds it's a different clip. Every 3 seconds it's a different clip. I have to make sure that I'm not making mistakes. If I make a mistake, I have to go back, say the words again exactly how they are, and that takes a lot of time. Imagine recording for 43 minutes and then getting 7 minutes out of it. Recording for 15 minutes and then getting 5 minutes, 6 minutes, maximum 11 minutes out of it. Out of a 15-minute recording. It's mind blowing, but it's also very tiring. So I'm dropping all of these editing tricks and tips. A friend of mine also advised me to stop doing this, but I just was carried away. I really wanted to become, I don't know, I really wanted to create videos that speak of excellence. Videos that people would watch and they'll be like, wow, this video is good. The editing is premium, but I totally missed out the essence of making videos. I totally missed out the why I'm making the video. See, for example, this video is actually up to, I don't know if it's 7 minutes or 11 minutes now, but this is a video that, this is going to be like one of the longest videos I've ever made, because I've been talking for a while now. And when I started this video, I really did not want to talk. I just wanted to get something straight. I just wanted to know exactly how this new setup looks like with this the natural lighting is coming from this window right here. But I don't know, this window right here. But there is this lighting here. I don't know if I've messed up my view now, but from now henceforth, it's just gonna be you and I on this channel, giving you the best of making sure that you really understand this, making sure that it sinks and you leave with something much more than a precision of editing tricks.